Hey, it's Ankur Shukla here, and I just want to shoot a quick video and walk you through the new WPFS 3 plugin, which is the WP Freshstart 3 plugin. So as you can see, I've logged into a brand new WordPress blog. This basically has almost no posts, and you can see this has the default, the hello world post and one comment and some pages and everything that comes with a fresh WordPress blog. So what we'll do is basically install the WP Fresh Start 3 plugin and basically get rid of all the crap that is there on the site and make it a completely usable, ready to use site. So I'm just going to upload the plugin from my computer. And it takes a few seconds to upload, and you can see once we activate the plugin, it will appear in the left menu in WordPress, and there it is. So you can just click on this button and it will take you to the WPFS options. So here you can see what this plugin will do for you basically is delete all the default posts, all pages. It will set the permalinks for improved SEO, which will basically help your site rank better. Delete all the useless comments and stop comment notifications and moderate comment notifications, which basically just irritates me, honestly. And then it'll create an about us page, a privacy policy page, terms of use, earnings disclaimer, contact us, and you can later go ahead and edit these things because it'll just create some sample content in there. Now, if you're building an affiliate site, you can use these like an Amazon affiliate page, an affiliate disclosure page. You can actually use this one, and it'll actually let you pick which one you want to use, which based on where you are and which Amazon do you want to use. And it will also let you create multiple categories, multiple blank pages, multiple blank posts, and also install multiple plugins at once. So let me just go ahead and select a few options here. So I'll just delete, basically this is what I want to do. And this is basically something every new site needs. And I want to create some categories, so I'll just put dog training, dog fetch videos, and some blank pages. So let's say how to train your dog, how to stop barking, and some blank posts. Um, dog best dog training videos of 2015, uh, dog training made easy. So it'll just create some blank post that basically gives you a guideline of what kind of content you want to create. I do this for all my new sites, and it just helps me create the site faster. And you can also install multiple plugins. So you can basically put in a URL, which is a WordPress.org URL, or you can basically put a zip file URL. Let's say you have a plugin file stored on your website somewhere, you can just paste that URL in here, and all these plugins will be installed at once. So we have some recommended plugins here. So let me just load them here in one click, and all these plugins will get installed automatically. So when you click the run button, it will basically do all these things in just one click. So this will basically speed up the entire process. And usually all these things take me about 20 to 25 minutes to do one by one by one. So let me just run and see what it does. And you can see all the plugins are installed, and all the stuff that I wanted to be done has been done. And it's installing all the plugins one by one, and it lets you select which pages do you want to appear at the bottom of your site. So I'll just leave it like that, and we'll see if all the posts and pages we wanted have been made or not. Okay, so it has also activated all the WordPress plugins one by one. So it is basically still installing all the plugins, but you can see if some posts have been created. So yes, you can see the dog training posts have been created. The sample posts have been erased, and let's see some pages. And you will find the about us, affiliate disclosure, and all these pages have been created. You can just go ahead and view these pages if you want. So it has all the content you want and everything that a site would need. You can go to the home page and see it has two blank posts. All right. and then you can see the default posts are there. The posts that we wanted to create are there, and all these pages are there that we wanted that are a must-have for every new site. So this is what WPFS does. It basically does all the little things that you need to do and take a lot of time, but it does it in under 10 seconds. And what we did with the third version is basically add more options, and we added something very interesting called Insta Reset. So what Insta Reset does is that this is Insta Reset, and it basically will clean up your entire site in one click. So what happens is if you have a bloated site or have an old site and you want to restart it and you want to put fresh content on it, it takes a lot of time to erase all the posts and pages and all those things, and you never know what settings for the plugins will remain there and everything. So what this does is you just write the word confirm here and click run, and it'll get rid of everything and basically you know make your site brand new without having to install a brand new WordPress. So you see, this is what happens. This is what you see when you install a brand new site, and this is where we came back to. And you'll see all the posts that there is just the hello world posts, and you'll see there's just a sample page. So basically, your site has been reset completely to a brand new site, and you didn't even have to install WordPress all over again. So this is what Insta Reset does. If you have a bloated site, this basically gives you a fresh start. So I hope you enjoy this plugin. I hope you use this on all your sites, and it will save you a lot of time and money and efforts. Thank you.